Hey guys, this is Ramya and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about Club Factory haul, and I did post a community post about if you want me to try out tops from Club Factory or some weird gadgets, and the majority of you voted for the tops, so that's what I'm gonna do. So today's video is about Club Factory haul, Club Factory tops haul. And now before we jump into the haul, make sure that you follow me on my Instagram page that is right over here. The username is thediygirl. If you want the link of it, the link will be in the description box for you guys to check it out and follow me directly from there. And to open the description box, some of you don't know that, to open the description box, if you're watching the video on the phone, all you have to do is press on the title of the video and then a description box opens up. It actually expands, open up, and then you can click on the links that are available there and you can watch the rest of the stuff on the in the description box as well. And now without any further ado, let's get started. So by the way guys, I have 7 tops with me. You can use my invite code that is right over here to get some discount and some offers going on. If you haven't registered to Club Factory yet, then when you register through my referral code that is down there in the description along with on the screen over here, then by using that you can get some amount, 25 rupees, or I don't know how much, but that is something that you get right away when you use my invite code. And then there will be a code for you to use for the discounts, that is extra discounts if you're already registered. So like if you are not registered yet, you can get registered again with some other Gmail ID or any other email ID, and then you can use my referral code and get that amount of cashback and discount right away. So now, yeah. So the first top that I'm going to show you is this one, and now this one is in proper Georgette polyester kind of material, and the big thing about this is that it is super cute looking. It has a beautiful print, it has a cute print looking fabric, but there is one drawback, and that is that it's super sheer. And by the way, if you're hearing some eating sounds or biting sounds or like chewing sounds, that is because my dog is eating right down there and I really can't stop her. So yeah, so that's that. You can wear a tube bra or even a spaghetti top under it, but if you have a weather like Jaipur that is like above 45 degrees, then you seriously can't even wear a spaghetti inside this because it's like super hot and it's gonna be super humid inside as well. So that's something you don't want. So yeah, this is the top, and the neckline is kind of like a high neckline with a back button that goes at the back and it ties it up, and it just stays like a choker kind of neckline. And then at the front you get these ruffles like this. See, it's pleated, stitched this way so that there are some pleats and you can stretch it open, and that's why it has this flow at the front. Now this one has a sleeve with a cold shoulder kind of a look. Now basically this has this much sleeves, and at the shoulder you get this big hole so that it gives a look of a cold shoulder. At the end of the sleeve you get this big high-low bell sleeve kind of look, and that is how it is. The top is kind of like a medium length top. It's not super long, it's not super short, but it's like a medium length top. So overall it's a good one. If I have to rate it out of 10, I would rate it at least 7 or 6 or 6.5, I guess, and not more than that. Because of the sheerness, I kind of feel like I might not be able to wear it in the summer. They do have various other colors in this as well, so if you want to check out any of the tops that I mentioned, the links will be in the description box, and you guys already know how to open the description box. The next top that I'm going to share with you is this one, and now this one is a beautiful top. I love this top. This one is, again, the materials and everything will be in the description, guys, so you guys can check the links and then you will be redirected to the Club Factory page, and then you can see what material is what, because I really can't remember all the materials right away. The only thing is that this one is like a very straight top, and it has a neckline, beautiful neckline with some ruffle detailing going on. That is like some pleated neckline, you know, and then at the front you get these 2 drawstrings to tie up front. So this is how it is. It's a very simple and a sober top, and the sleeve is also kind of like a short one, and this one has a normal decent bell sleeve. It has a beautiful daisy print and it looks super cute, and also this is of medium length and not super short, not super long. It will cover up your belly completely. The next one is kind of like my favorite, not because of its print, not because of its color, but because of its fit, because how it fits. Like it's a beautiful top, and look at that vibrant print. It looks amazing, and it is just perfect to go for vacations, for beach vacations, for outings with your friends. If you're going out in summers, spring, it just looks super adorable. And the fabric quality is also great, like super soft, super nice, and like a very nice feel. It gives a very nice feel. So this is basically a kind of like a shirt, but shirt with a collar, just like a regular shirt, and some collar, and then the buttons going all the way down there. But the one thing is that when you reach the bottom, you see that there is a waistband. So it's not like a straight up shirt, but more like a shirt that ties up at the end. So basically the button at the end makes it feel like a very tight top at the bottom. Supposed to be worn with some high-waisted jeans or maybe even plazos, so that it covers up the shirt. Like it will give you a feel of a tuck-in shirt. And yeah, this is how it is. Although the bottom button is kind of like a very tight button for my belly, so I just keep it open and just tuck it in accordingly. Now this is the sleeve that you get. Although the sleeve looks very short, like this much only, but that is because the shoulder is kind of in a drop shoulder kind of way. So the shoulder end starts from here basically, and then the sleeve is till my elbow. So that completely covers up my elbow, like my upper arm portion. And yeah, this is how it is. The print is just adorable, and this is not sheer at all. I just wear a tube bra inside it, and that is it. And yeah, this is how it is. And by the way, this top is, because it's supposed to be worn like a tight, like a tuck-in shirt or something like that. So it's not super long. It's like a it will like cover up your navel, but not more than that. The next top that I'm showing you is this one. This is a super adorable one, super nice, and also because of the color and the print, it looks pretty good. Let me declutter, like detangle this. Yeah, this is how the top looks like. As you guys can see, this is the top. It's like a spaghetti top with some straps going on, and also the straps are not adjustable. At the front you get a simple look like this. At the back you get this crisscross look like this. This is a georgette material, and a printed one as well, and that too in a beautiful print. You guys can clearly see how beautiful this is. But the thing is that this is in layers, so like there are 2 layers in it. Now because of the 2 layers, the part that covers, which has 2 layers on it, it is not sheer at all. Although because of the georgette fabric, it's supposed to be sheer, but because of the 2 layer thing, it's not going to be sheer. So you really don't have to wear a spaghetti top inside this to, you know, prevent yourself from overexposure. But the thing is that this covers up your body parts completely. It is not sheer at all. You just have to wear a tube bra, and that is it. It is of crop nature, so it's not a long top, but it is of a crop length. The next top is something that completely disappointed me. The reason why is because I thought that the model was wearing a beautiful white top, and I really felt like it was gonna look good, and it's not gonna be sheer. The thing with the white tops is that I really hate when they are sheer and transparent. See, it looks super cute, right? It has a beautiful white and a black theme going on, and it has this black neckline piping going on. But the only thing is that it is super sheer. Like you can't really wear something, even if you're wearing a nude bra inside this white, it is gonna pop up with something like that, and I just really don't like the way it is. Now this is the sleeve. The one thing that I was attracted to, because and the reason why I went on and took a risk with a white top is because this one has a very cute sleeve. See, this is like a tie-up sleeve, and this is completely open. Like this part of the sleeve is completely open, and you can just simply tie it up. Like on this side, you guys can clearly see this is how the sleeves come, like very open, and you just have to tie it up. Now the length of this top is super medium only, and not super long, not super short, just a medium one. The only problem with this one was the sheer nature, that is it. Otherwise it was a very cute one. Second last one is a proper shirt, and the reason why I got it is because it looked super cute on the model, and this is how it is. It's a black shirt with a polka dot feature going on, and full sleeves as well, like a decent shirt it is. It has a collar, it has proper buttons going till the bottom, and the bottom is like a straight shirt. The only thing is that it's of a very slim nature, so if you are busty, you might just have to double size up so that it is not super tight on your bust or your waist. Now because this one I got in my size, it is just fit. Like if I just gain even 1 or 2 kilograms, I will not be able to fit into it. I will literally suffocate inside this. So that's how it is. But I love this one so much, but I just have to keep my body weight at the minimum so that I can stay in this and look good as well. But it's a beautiful top. I loved it. I love the quality as well. By the way, the fabric is really nice. The last one is risky top that I went with because I really didn't know if it would look good on me, but luckily it did, and I really loved how it felt. The fabric quality is somewhat in polyester, but the thing is that this top has this shirt collar thing going on. Like you have a shirt collar at the front along with the back, and this somewhat lays on your shoulders like a shoulder off shoulder kind of a look, but it doesn't go completely off your shoulder. It just stays on the tip of your shoulder. So yeah, that is that. This is how this one is. It's super comfy as well because it's a super loose top from the belly side as well, so you can clearly hide your belly fat inside it as well. Sleeves do look normal right now. It's very boxy sleeve, like a very flowy sleeve, but the thing is that you get this tie up thing at the sleeve so that you can just tie around your wrist, and it just closes up your sleeve, and it looks super cute because of the bell nature that comes out of it after you tie it down. This is a very long top as well, like not medium top, I would say just a little longer than the medium top, so it covers up your jeans waist as well. And this concludes my overall Club Factory top haul. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friends on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, wherever you are. Subscribe to my channels for more such videos, although I don't really post more haul videos over here because for that topic I have shifted all these kind of videos on my Ramya Vasudev channel. So if you do love watching these kind of videos, do subscribe to my Ramya Vasudev channel, whose link is in the description box below for you guys to check it out. And you guys already know how to open the description box, right? And also guys, make sure that you use my invite code, that is a referral code that is mentioned right over here, so that you guys can avail some discounts when you register with Club Factory. So yeah, that is it for today's video guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.